Hey guys, welcome back to the corel X7 training again. In this lecture I will teach you creating a very simple logo, which is Toyota company. And just you need to take this ellipse tool again and just create or something like this, but as an outline, not as a the color, the filling color, not the filling color or background color, just the outline. And now make the outline to 12 or 16. Yes, 16, this is better. There is no fill color, okay, you can see. Now take a copy by using Ctrl C and then Ctrl V to paste it the same place. Now just move it from this area, from bottom, like this. So you can adjust the position something like this. Now take a copy of this one by using Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, and now click again to transform this something like this. Now again click this to resize, and while resizing just press shift, so you can resize it from two corners, or you can use something like this. So you can see very simply we have created this thing. Now if you want to add the text I'm talking about, Toyota text, so you need to first of all just make it a group using Ctrl G from keyboard, or you can see an option here. Now this is a group. Take a rectangle from here and put a color, bring it here, or click this, right click, order, and to front. Yes, but this one should be colorized white or black. You can put any color, that's up to your choice, but we have created the logo. Now we'll just take the text tool and we'll write below here. We'll change the color to white and we'll just resize it like this. Now we have actually a Toyota, we can keep it here. So in this section we created these simple logos in corel X7 using these simple tools. So you guys can practice them yourself, and these simple logos were just for your practice, so you can practice a little bit and can open your hands in corel X7.